Warren Buffett says he wouldn't pay $25 for all the Bitcoin in the world. Well, he knows how to stay in the news. Just all you got to do is piss off somebody, the Bitcoin folks. Get you trending, get you on Insider, Business Insider. And Charlie Munger blasts the crypto as stupid and evil. I'll tell you about your crypto. It's stupid and it's evil. And you're stupid too. Yeah. I saw people talking about this on Twitter. Couple crypto types saying, who cares if these old guys don't like it? I like it more. Because it just shows you they're out of touch or they don't understand it or Web3.
Yeah, it's always the people out of touch.
Out of touch.
With the whole crypto thing. It's like, oh man, you're out of touch. Like you don't get it.
You don't get it, Will.
Yeah, I certainly don't.
You're not cool enough to get it, Will.
I tried.
Yeah. You tried and it took you to a very dark place.
Yeah.
Remember?
Almost didn't come out alive.
That deep hole that you climbed out of?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm happy you did, Will. But, yeah, I'm not surprised that Buffett wouldn't be into it. Like, that doesn't... Maybe it's a little inflammatory to say you wouldn't pay $25 for the entire supply because...
But then there wouldn't be this article. And it wouldn't be as funny.
There wouldn't. But who knows? I don't know what his principles are. I mean, he certainly doesn't have to be into it. There's plenty of other things to be into. But maybe then you just... And he can't help it. For sure, he's getting asked about it all the time. Because he's this legendary investor. If you told me you owned all the Bitcoin in the world and you offered it to me for $25, I wouldn't take it. What would I do with it? Question mark. Well, you could just turn around and sell it again, and then invest the proceeds. Right? I mean, is that like a trick? In contrast, Buffett said he would buy a portion of the country's farmland or some of the nation's apartments. He reiterated his view that Bitcoin isn't worth anything because it doesn't produce anything, and holders rely on somebody else being willing to pay more for it than they did. It's got a magic to it, but people have attached magic to lots of things, comparing Bitcoin to an insurance company, pitching itself as a technological marvel. Munger, Buffett's longtime business partner, spoke even more harshly about the most valuable cryptocurrency. In my life, I try to avoid things that are stupid, evil, and make me look bad in comparison to somebody else. Bitcoin does all three. In my life, I stay away from stupid. Stupid is as stupid does.
Evil because it undermines the integrity and stability of the U.S. financial system.
Ooh. And why foolish? It makes the U.S. look foolish because China's ruling party was smart enough to ban it. Yeah, good luck banning that. Right, Vin? You've seen those mines over there, mining operations. What's banned in China? What's actually banned in China? Go ahead, Vin. He turns into Santa Claus.